As you can see, it is raining today. It's not raining very much, but it's raining a little bit. And on rainy days, Bella doesn't like to go potty. Come on, Bella, let's go potty. Go on, go potty. Miracle, she came out. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. It's okay, the rain's not gonna get you. Go potty. Go potty, you can get your feet wet. Nope, 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 nope. Go potty. Bella, go potty. Bella, go potty. Bella, go potty. Go potty. Go potty. She really doesn't want to go. Go potty. Go potty. How many times can I say it? Nope. Go potty. Go. Go potty, Bella. Bella, go potty. Go potty. Come on, go potty. Go potty. And she's back in the house.